Hi guys, today I'm here in Delta to see what is the update here. My guy was here this morning to install my the Lazy Susan and then mudding the wall for the box plus and then for painting. So I'm gonna go inside and take a look what is the update because my body was already left when I come here. So let's go. So guys, this is the update here in our Delta job. As you can see, we already put a mudding here, ready for sanding so we can primer it for painting. And this is the pantry now. We already put the shelves. We're just waiting for the door. Hopefully this coming week we will have it now. And then our box plus is already here, and we already put all the shelves and everything. Yeah, it's look like a kitchen now. And this is our base cabinet, and we also installed the Lazy Susan today. So that's our Lazy Susan. This is from Marathon Hardware. So yeah. So yeah, the shelves is in. So this is where the island go. This is the one that we relocate last time. It was on that side, and then we relocate the water line in this side. Yeah. So the owner wants the water filter, and once everything is ready here, we will schedule for the flooring. So once the flooring is done, probably we almost done here. We're going to paint the ceiling and then the wall. Yeah. So the owner already ordered the microwave. It's already here, so it will be a overhang microwave. So it's gonna goes here. Yeah. So this is the 10 set that we're gonna use for the box plus. This is my tile guy requested for me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully the next 2 weeks this job will be finished, and we're looking forward for the outcome. So that's it guys.